Today we are reviewing the Portronics Mport 4C1. It is a Type-C hub by which you can connect HDMI or VGA device to your laptop that has USB-C port, and also to your phone with USB-C port like Note 9 has the same, or Note 10 or S20, S10. So there were not many alternative. One was a 3-in-1 hub which lacked VGA port, and the other was this one. One more was Amazon Basics device, but I went for Portronics. It has a 5 Gbps transfer capability. The output is 900 mA, and with HDMI port it can relay up to full HD display or 30 kHz frequency. On opening, it has a simple packaging. It has VGA and HDMI port on one end, USB-A port and USB-C on the other end. Now I have this HDMI cable which is connected to the MI TV, and I have connected it to my Note 9 phone. Now on selecting HDMI 2, the port is working and I have to select, like, I want screen mirroring only. I don't want to use desk, so I switch to screen mirroring. So now this is mirroring my skin, and if I want to switch to DeX, then that also is working fine. So I think that is a good issue. Now for using Samsung DeX, the touchpad is the phone only, so I am using my phone to control it. Oh, this is a so now I can just confirm that it is working. As simple as that. So it is a good thing. So overall, I have tested it that it works on Note 9, and it works very fine, very smooth screen mirroring also.